everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Petra, if you haven't been here before. And today I'm doing another one of my blast from the past palette videos. So the palette that I'm using is, oh my gosh, Makeup Geek Manny MUA collab. I mean, here it is. You guys remember this thing? This palette was really iconic when it came out. I felt like everybody wanted it. It sold out, and I was really glad that I got one because at the time I felt like this palette was like really innovative and fun, and I barely use this anymore, but I'm so glad I busted it out because it is a really fun little palette, and you can do all sorts of eye looks with it, and I decided to create this one. So without me blabbing any further, let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, you guys, so I have already gone in with my base and my brows and, you know, all the other products, which I will have listed below that I used for my face. Okay, so I'm going to take a Linda Hallberg 303 brush, and I'm going to go into this red shade right there called Mars. Oh my gosh, I haven't even used this palette as much as I've just hardly used this palette. It's sad. Remember how popular this palette was? Okay, zoom you guys in so you guys can kind of see what's going on here. So I'm going to take that Mars shade, tap it off, and then I want to do something kind of like that goes pretty far out. So I'm just going to kind of draw kind of where I want it to go, and then put it, kind of lay it down where I want it. And bringing it, I'm gonna bring it actually way in here in the nose region. My hooded eye issue is so hard. So hard. I'm gonna go in with a Linda Hallberg. This is the 304. And I just need a bigger brush to kind of blend this now that I've laid it down. And then I'm going to go back in with the smaller Linda Hallberg brush, that 303, and go into that brown shade. It is called Insomnia. And then I think just to deepen that outer edge a little bit. I mean, these still blend pretty good. I mean, I feel like they kind of, you know, still work well. It's kind of fun going back to the old palettes of stuff and like being like, whoa, like, haven't used that in a minute. And bigger Linda Hallberg. And I'm going to go into Mars and tap that off and then kind of go over the top to kind of blend and merge these two deeper and reddish shades together. Really don't know where this is going to end up, you guys, but hopefully somewhere fun. I want to go in with that pink shimmer shade up top, which is Artemis, it looks like. All over the lid. And these still work really nice. I mean, these are laying down pretty darn good for considering like this palette is not the newest palette. So actually, to use that Luna shade, this is Luna right here. It's the shimmery kind of whitish shade. I think I'm going to take that shade here in the corner to kind of brighten, add a little bit more dimension in there. I don't know what I'm doing. And now with this middle shade, Beaches and Cream, and just kind of put that on my brow bone. Just to kind of use it. Just so I can say I've used that shade in the palette. I don't know if it's even brightening that much on my brow bone. I'm going to take Insomnia, which is this kind of duochrome greenish purple shifty. I don't know. Everyone has a shade like this now, I feel like. I feel like this was kind of, actually I feel like MAC had a shade years ago that was kind of like that, and then everybody started making a shade like that that's really pretty, but I don't know, everybody has it. So I think I'm going to take that underneath and I'm going to pull it back up here to connect with this. Alright you guys, so this is what I have for the eye look so far, but now I'm just going to go in with lashes and mascara, and then I will be back. I'm going to actually, I'll show you, I'm going to go in with these Allure lashes by Jasmine Brown. These are the Curly Queen lashes, and they're not new, I just keep them in the package. But I'm going to try that eyelash with this look. So after that, I will be back. All right, you guys, so I am back with lashes on now, and this is the full eye look now. I'm just gonna take this MAC Cherry Lip Pencil, and sadly, I don't know if this is safe for my eyes, but I'm gonna go ahead and use it in my inner waterline. I just want to, I don't know, I wanted to add a little bit of a pop in here. I already started to kind of add it, and then I thought I would just, you know, show you guys. I just feel like it kind of, it adds like, I don't know if you can see it too well, but I thought I added a little bit of like a pop there. So now I need blush and highlight. So right now I'm going to go in with Delizioso Pink by Milani. It's this shade. It's kind of just a nice, fun, bright pink shade. And I'm actually, my battery's going to die on me soon, which I kind of thought it might. So, oh good, yes, that like brightens up the look a lot more. I'm gonna actually bring up that blush a little higher too on the, I don't know, I kind of want to just make the blush like kind of fade into the eye look a little bit too. So I love this blush shade though, it's so pretty. Then I'm going to go in with highlight. Actually, I think I'm going to use this little sample I got out of my 12 Days of Christmas from Ulta Beauty. I'm going to use this. It's Ulta Beauty Shimmer Blush, and it's like a topper, and it's this like little, it's like a pinkish shade. Thought it would be kind of fun. It's like, I don't know, it's like a good highlight shade too. So I'm going to kind of bring it up into the brow as well. And then just into the temple and down. So for lip, I'm going to go in with this Limecrime sample I have in Milk Tea. And I really like these. They don't crumble off your lips like typical liquid lips. And this one, they just have this really soft feel. I mean, they're called Plushies, and I think that's a great name because they do feel kind of like plushy on the lips. So this one I thought was a nice neutral shade, kind of a cool tone. And I don't know, I think it'll kind of go with the eye look. So I'm just going to go in with that really quick here. And they just kind of glide on really nice too. And you can layer with them pretty good before they like start to dry down. I'm going to try and overline a little. Okay, you guys, so this is it. This is the finished look. I'm not sure if I'm going to get this up before Valentine's Day, but if it is up before Valentine's Day, for Valentine's Day, it's kind of, you know, it's big eye look, but you know, why not? To get all glammed up, it'd be kind of fun, whether you're going out with girlfriends, boyfriends, whatever, partner in crime. So anyway, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, as always, don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. I love when I get comments. As always, it always brings a little extra cheer when people are actually like responding in my videos. So anyways, that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.